In this lesson, we're going to just discuss briefly the concept of selections and masking. So when we create masks, typically when you first create a mask, nothing really truly happens. You have to apply, we've already discussed how you have to apply black or white or gray values to our mask specifically. So in this case, I've got two different layers. I've got the pink layer on the bottom and a blue layer on the top. And when I apply that mask, if I paint black to it, it'll show that layer beneath. Now, you may have a situation where you might have something selected, and you may find it easier to mask things if you have things selected first. So I'll make a quick selection here, and I'm just going to select a rectangle in the middle of this document here. So I don't know if you can see that dancing ants marquee selection right there, but the selection has been made with the marquee tool, the rectangular marquee. And when you have a selection activated and you apply a layer mask, whatever is selected will basically be masked. So you will notice that now suddenly this mask has a black box behind that rectangle or around that rectangle to show that it's showing that pink layer beneath. Now, another great tip to know is that at any point you are able to command click on either a layer or a mask to be able to select something. So if we command click on this mask, it now selects it. So at any point, if you did need to make modifications or if you needed to select it again for any reason, it's a quick way to be able to select things further. We will discuss more in another lesson how to invert masks, and that may be another option for you to address whenever you are selecting. But again, the process essentially is when we first apply a mask, nothing happens. But if we select first and then we apply a mask, whatever is selected is going to become what is masked, to where it keeps that on the current layer and it reveals the layer below. So anything that is not selected is essentially in the mask turned to black so that it does show that layer or reveal the layer beneath it. So hopefully that helps out as we start to learn more about masking. Sometimes selecting something first before you mask may actually help you have more control over the areas that you're trying to do things in Photoshop.